Collabora Online lets you easily enhance your forms with various controls. Let's start by adding a rich text control. This lets users type and format their input, making your form more dynamic. Navigate to the Form tab, select the Rich Text control, and place it in the document under the label. Users can format their text by applying bold, italics, or other formatting styles. Next, we'll add a checkbox control, perfect for yes, no questions or confirmations. Select the checkbox control from the toolbar and place it next to the label. Checkboxes are great for getting user confirmations, like accepting terms or making simple choices. Now let's add a drop-down menu to offer multiple choice options. Select the drop-down control, then select Properties. Remove the default list items and add the options you want users to choose from. Remember, you can rearrange or add more options via the Properties menu. The Picture control lets users upload images, which is great for adding logos or other visuals to forms. Place the Picture control under the label, then simply find your image and insert it directly into the form. The Date control simplifies scheduling by letting users choose a date using a built-in calendar. You can customize the date format in the Properties menu to match your region or preference. That's how you can use form controls in Collabora Online Writer to create interactive, fillable documents. And now you can make form filling even easier with our new Form Filling API integration. You can find out more about it in the description below.